Headmaster, principal, adorable teachers, and my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. As you all know, we are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of first Prime Minister of India and a great freedom fighter and a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi. He was politically active member of the Indian National Congress, serving twice as its president. He also shared an affectionate relationship with the children and was referred to as Chacha Nehru. For